Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to link Instagram to your Pinterest account. To claim an Instagram account, Pinterest will prompt you to log into your Instagram account. If you want pins from your Instagram account to be attributed to you, you'll need to see your account as public. You can only claim one Instagram account at a time. If you want to claim a different Instagram account, you will need to unclaim the existing account before you can add a new one. Once your account has been successfully claimed, pins that existed on your account before it was claimed should be attributed to you within a few days. All future pins created from your claimed account will automatically be attributed to you. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to your profile Pinterest and then tap the three dots button. After that, tap settings here. In this settings page, you have to tap account settings. Then tap on claimed accounts. After that, toggle the switch next to the account you want to link, which is Instagram. You have to log in first. When the pop-up closes and you return to your settings page, the toggle next to the claimed account will be set to the on position. Well guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!